Good everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the MacBook Air M2 and we're going to go ahead and unbox this one. So the box has come with this nice little pull tab for opening. Which makes that pretty easy. Then inside that box is our actual MacBook Air box. This is the 8GB unified memory model with the 256gb SSD in it. It's 13.6-inch screen. As I said, it has the M2 processor in it. So in the top of the box here, we have our laptop. A helpful little pull tab there for lifting it out. Below that, we have our charge cable. So this cable has a USB-C power at this end and then MagSafe at the other end for connecting to the laptop. Now I've got the midnight blue color in the MacBook Air, so this cable is actually also midnight blue to match. And this cable is a braided cable, so it actually feels really decent. So I'm really liking the look and feel of this. I wish we'd opted to stay with dark colors at the USB-C end, but I suppose it's going to match the white USB-C power and transformers that Apple goes with. So that's the cable. So in the box here, we have our little manual box, which says obviously designed by Apple in California. So in here, we've got our three usual things that come with your Apple gear. We've got our quick start guide, our safety information, and a couple of Apple stickers. Below that in the box, we have our USB-C transformer, so that's USB-C at this end for connecting up our USB-C to MagSafe charge cable. So that's it for everything in the box itself. Let's have a closer look at the MacBook Air. So it's in this paper wrapping, so we'll just remove that and slide the MacBook out. That's it. Super thin, as one would expect from a MacBook Air, and the midnight color is very dark. I shouldn't be surprised, it is called midnight, but it's also a lot darker than I anticipated it was going to be. So being an Air, it's obviously very light, and there is like no ventilation. That's the thing that's really jumping out to me. There's no side vents or anything like that. The only venting is along the back in the hinge. So I've heard these run pretty cool. So on the right hand side here in the corner, we have our 3.5mm headset, so headphones, microphone. On the left hand side of the laptop over here, we have our MagSafe power input plus two USB-C ports, and that's all of the connectivity on this MacBook. On the front, we have the little groove here that we're all pretty familiar with on MacBooks, and we're just pulling that up in order to open the laptop. That's it. Away we go. We'll remove this paper covering over the screen, and the laptop's just going to start on up and take us into setup. The keyboard is all black as well. Touchpad's dark. Everything is really dark, and I reckon it looks really nice. So that is the M2 MacBook Air unboxing. Hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these laptops, check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. Have an awesome day, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.